Hi everyone, you're welcome to the official YouTube channel of Prime Tech Data and GIS Solutions. My name is Joy Ayoda. I'm one of the directors of this great firm. So the other directors are Lawrence Enijeta Aputerai and Okweyemi Fatayo. You'll get to meet them over time. Prime Tech is a GIS and data solutions hub focused on expanding the frontiers of GIS applications and data analytics in solving present and emerging business issues, while building a network of individuals capable of exploring data and geospatial techniques for the advancement of the society. On this channel, we'll be running through some selected GIS topics. However, if you need our services for data mining, GIS training, whether individual or collective, field research, project design and management, data analysis and management, cartography and map production, you can contact us via email on primetechdatasolutions@gmail.com or call any of the phone numbers on your screen. Like I mentioned earlier, we'll be running through some GIS related topics like georeferencing, digitizing, map production, land use land cover analysis, term-set rainfall data, among others. To avoid missing out on any of these topics, I urge you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you get notification whenever we post new videos. Once again, I welcome you guys to this channel. Thank you.